Okay, so now we are back with lesson 3, and I'm going to be driving, and Boitumelo is going to be my navigator. So when it comes to the lesson 3, we first had to create a folder named recipe connection, as you can see here, and then in that folder we're going to have our, sorry, I'm in the wrong files. This is my actual lesson 3 file, but yes, we have a folder called recipe connection here, as you can see, and then inside of it you see you have node modules, we have main.js, package.js. So the first thing that we do is to create the folder, and then we're going to initialize it, and we're going to do that using npm init-y. But I've already done that. All that's going to do is create a package.json, and then after that we're going to use npm install --save, and we've already done that. That's gonna use our package.json, which at the moment looks like this, right? And then we just make the changes to change my name to the author, edit a description, and we change this from index.js to main.js, right? And then we did npm install --save, and that created package-log.json and our node modules. And then we created a file called main.js, and then inside of this file we create a variable called cities. We tell it to require cities, right? And that's the app that we created. That's where our node modules are going to be. As you can see here, it's going to, this require will basically go into the cities folder and run the code that's in there. And then we have a variable called mycity. In mycity we are going to take cities, and then we're going to use zip lookup and give it this coordinates here, and then we're going to log my city. So if I go to the folder where all of this is located, yes, and then once we are inside of this, we can run main.js. We can say node main.js, and as you can see, it gives us the, let me make this larger, it gives us the location, basically the city and the state, based on the zip code that we gave it. As you can see, it's this one here, it matches with this one here. So that is the first thing that we did. And then after that we yes, and that's all. So in this lesson we learned about npm and how to use the array of tools it has to create a Node.js application. We also had to install some external packages. We built our own Node.js module, and we required it in the main application in main.js, and we installed other external packages and had it work, and had our sample application working. So after this we're going to be integrating these tools into a web application. Thank you.